Okay, so we have another problem here. Patients with a condition, which is an easy problem. The table name is patients, which contains 3 columns: patient ID, patient name, and conditions. Patient ID is the primary key here. Conditions contain 0 or more codes separated by spaces. Okay, write a solution to find patient ID, patient name, and conditions of the patients who have type 1 diabetes. Type 1 diabetes always start with the DIAB1 prefix. Okay, so we have the important detail here. Return the result table in any order. Okay, so we have DIAB1. If all the patients have DIAB1, we will get all those patients. As you can see, DIAB1 here and DIAB1 here. So we have Bob and George with these two conditions. Okay, but as you can see, let's say if DIAB1 comes at first position, then we can simply detect it using the like operator, that is like percentage, like DIAB1 percentage. And if it comes at second position or later position, then we can simply include a percentage along with a space. So what we can do here, we can simply select everything from patients where conditions like percentage DIAB1 or conditions like percentage space DIAB1 and percentage. Okay, so we have DIAB1 is the prefix, and after that anything can come. So we can simply write here DIAB1 percent or conditions like percent space, because in percent anything can come, acne space and DIAB1 and percent, that is in percent anything can come. So we have our both the conditions written. So let's see what we are getting now. As you can see, the answer is correct. So let's submit it. Okay, so it is correct and submitted.